Okay, we are on our page 6, which is habitat. A habitat is where living and non-living things interact and live. It is a general place for the animal to live. Some examples are wetlands, the desert, a forest, or the Arctic. So my animal's habitat. So I need to go to my book, and I took a screenshot already of the page that I needed to work on. And that was, or I needed to read, and that was this page. Bull sharks live in shallow water, mostly in tropical or very warm parts of the world. They can survive in both salty oceans and freshwater rivers, such as the Amazon River. They often make their homes near the shore or in areas where a river flows into an ocean. And then it puts a map here of all the places where bull sharks live, which is pretty amazing. So I'm going to go back to my work. And my animal's habitat, well, it said that it lived in the ocean, but it also said that it could live in freshwater rivers. So I'm going to write ocean, which I know is salt water, and then also freshwater rivers. That's pretty unique. Make sure that fits on the line, and I'm good to go. So it says next, draw or find a picture of your animal's habitat below. So I might go to my book because this is a map and that's not really what the habitat looks like. I might look for something like this. Here's a picture of the muddy river that is in the Amazon rainforest that my animal, the bull shark, might actually swim in. Doesn't that look pretty murky? It's pretty amazing that that animal can not only find its way, but can also find prey. It actually can't see very well there, so it has to use its sense of smell. So I'm going to insert this picture. I'm probably going to crop that caption out because that wasn't my own words. So I will just put the photo in. There we go. And it says describe your animal's habitat. Use many adjectives. So this is a little tricky for mine because it's in the ocean and in rivers. So I might just pick one that I feel like it gave a good description of. So it did give a good description of the Amazon rainforest, the rivers, and it said that the rivers that flow through the Amazon rainforest can be very murky. The water may be so cloudy that a bull shark can't see the prey. However, it has a powerful sense of smell, uses its nostrils to detect the prey in the water. So, and then there's the bull shark in the murky water. So I might include some of that information. I might also include the part about how it's both in the ocean and freshwater. So I will kind of see what I do. Now it says many adjectives. Those are describing words. So I need to keep that in mind as I type. So the bull shark, I'm going to make this a little smaller. The bull shark can live in both salty ocean areas and in freshwater rivers. One specific river they live in is the Amazon River. Capitalized because that's a proper noun. I will say this habitat, look how I'm using that vocab, this habitat is, I don't want to say murky because they've already said that, is dark in color and can be cloudy, can look cloudy. What will I say? I might go back to my text. So that's a freshwater river. It says it goes near the shore, which is not as deep. I Let's see, anything else? All right, I might need to brainstorm a little. So I could say the bull shark often swims near the shallow shorelines. Oop, make that a little smaller. Good. So the bull shark can live in both salty ocean areas and in freshwater rivers. One specific river they live in is the Amazon River. This habitat is dark in color and can look cloudy. The bull shark often swims near the shallow shorelines. Good. So now it says, where in the world can your animal be found? Draw and color the areas. So my picture, my map right here is actually super helpful because I'm going to just insert this and use it to help me. I'll eventually delete it so that it's not sitting there the whole time, but I'm going to try to color in those same areas. So if I see that it is, I'm going to change this to red like they did, along the shorelines, I'm going to kind of draw my red lines along the shorelines. And here, you can see it's going down here, a little bit to South America. Yep, kind of going across here, along South America's shoreline, goes going along the shore of Africa, this shore of Africa too, some parts over here, and along India. Let's see, over here. Oh, yeah, near these islands by Australia. Shorelines here. Wow, mine's in a lot of different places. So that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this picture out. Oops, because I don't need that anymore, so I'll delete that. And my map is complete. So here's what mine looks like. Go ahead and get yours started.